guys and welcome to our channel. Today I'll show you how you can change the volume buttons function in the camera in your Samsung A04S. So I'll just start to open the camera app, then go to the settings and look for the shooting methods. Now just open it, and how you can see there we have a preset volume keys 2 option, so tap on it and choose your desired option. I will choose the zoom, and now in the camera we can use the zoom by the volume buttons. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.